Hello everybody, Jeff here. Well, today what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to figure out what is causing this squeak. I've been doing it for about a year now. Since then, the alternator's been replaced, the power steering pump's been replaced, the water pump's been replaced. I know it's not the air conditioner compressor because I took that out and put a bypass pulley in and it still did it. So I put the compressor back in. I have a video of that. And the timing chain has even been replaced. But I still got this squeak. So what I'm going to do is pull the belt out, see if I can figure out what it is. Okay, I'm running it without the belt on. As you can see, I don't have any noise. I also forgot to mention that the idler pulley and the belt tensioner pulley have both been replaced, and the belts have started doing that. So I won't let it run too long without the belt on there. Okay, what I did here was take the belt off, sprayed all the pulleys down with throttle body cleaner, brushed them down good with a stiff brush, but that doesn't seem to solve the problem. The only thing I can think of what this could be is the fan clutch. See, it's engaged already and it's not even warmed up yet. We'll see, do some more looking at it. Okay, I'm spinning this around a little bit, and I can hear a little bit of noise. And if you can rub your fingers on the pins here, you can get the similar noise that it was making. So I'm thinking it's got to be this. And I'm not going to replace it today. Even though it's a beautiful day here in Michigan, it's about 60 degrees out. Tomorrow the weather's going to go to hell, so I'm pretty sure this is what it's at, what it is. I'll probably go online and order a new one, see what the prices are, so. Oh well. I have a few other things I want to check out on this, and you have a good day. We'll talk to you later. Bye.